Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Cumberland County in South Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Dauphin County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in South Central Pennsylvania, North Central York County in South Central Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen in some areas. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hershey, Ephrata, Colonial Park, Elizabethtown, Progress, Lidditz, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Linglestown, Enola, Steelton, Manheim, Annville and Lemoyne. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York.
Have 120 night sleep trial.